Hello everybody. It's now May 19th, 2020, 9:02 p.m. It's my northeast sky. Look at over here to the east, southeast. Look at that color. Now watch when I go to the north. There's my north sky, everybody. But watch this. Might have to take a quick little ride down the road. I mean, look at that. I'm going to put this with the drone footage, and I'll try to point the directions out in it. But yeah, look at this. I'm going to take a quick ride. So let me pause it. There's my north sky, everybody. There's the chimneys right there in the middle of the screen. I always tell you that's north. So let's go for a ride. Let me go get my keys. Be back. Okay, everybody, right here I'm headed northwest. That's my northwest sky. There's the chimneys. That's north. Shouldn't be lit up like that in the north. Go over here toward the west. I mean, this stuff is crazy. Wow, is that intense? You cannot deny Planet X, people. There's no way to deny it. And if you do, you're a fool. Don't let the devil win. That's all I can say. I'm only going to be a few minutes though. That is so incredible. So incredible. Sorry for that. Getting the car in the way. Wow. Is this beautiful? Okay, this is where I want to stop. I will get out of the car too here real quick. Let me pause it again. Look at that, everybody. Look at the purple. Can do a 360. Just a quick one. Wow, look at that. Look at the... Wow. No, it's lit up way over that way. That's southeast. Lord. This is so beautiful right here. I mean, you guys know Carlos Skywatcher. Check him out. He's getting incredible footage himself. Yeah, I just flew the drone, so I'm going to put this in with the drone video. So there will be some music in that with the drone when I play the drone footage. Because there's no way I can narrate. Well, I guess I can, but we'll get it figured out. How can you deny this, everybody? Take a look up. Very awesome. is just incredible here. Camera's really not doing a lot of justice. It's neon red. All that yellow, everybody, that's neon red. I don't know why it's showing up yellow. But like I say, that's neon red. Wow, amazing. Okay, everybody, I'm going to go ahead and end it now. I just wanted to capture that, and let's get this video uploaded. Like I say, I'll have the drone footage in it too, so. And, shout out the Truth Hunter channel, everybody. Check Frank out. He's in Germany. I left him his link in my last video where I mirrored his video, so please go check him out. Show him some love. Skywatchers unite. Very awesome. Very awesome. Okay, everybody. I think I showed enough. Got the idea. So I'm going to go ahead and end it now. I mean, it's lit up way back there. Alright, everybody. God bless you. Be safe. Take care.